the little plastic off so I can tape the panels on there. So when you get your LED panel, you're gonna glue it on. Now that's the driver's side right there. So you make sure that you got the one with the elf or left. Tells you right there, driver's side. And make sure you connect it. Alright, so put the first one on. Remember, each bracket is in the middle, so try to tighten it. Try to like put some pressure on there. I guess I'll try to wear some gloves. Too late now. But that tape actually sticks on pretty good. It's pretty sturdy, so that's good. And then just get your gasket on. And now the housing goes on. Alright, so make sure you get all your screws on. ¿Estás listo? ¿Estás listo? ¿Estás listo? Dale. Arréglalo. Ayúdame. Ayúdame. Necesito tu ayuda. Alright. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out the wiring now. And this wire, normally yellow. Normally orange, I'm sorry. They sent the yellow one this time. But this is supposed to be constant power, so I'm gonna run this to the battery. And then we'll go from there. So this is what's confusing me a little bit. Orange, which is yellow on mine, it's supposed to go to constant, so I ran that to the battery. And then black grounded to the body. But what's confusing me is you see driver side and passenger side and running light signal, but which one's the brake one to? Because in my car you just have two bulbs going to the brake light, and I think that's why the lights didn't look right. So I think there's something there that wired on my car that's not supposed to be, or as you can tell, it's been spliced. You see that they got splices going everywhere and to the side there. So I just gotta figure out what goes with where. I'm kind of just gonna try a couple configurations and see which one works, and then clean it up. All right, so this is my original harness. You got green, brown, purple, and black. So we're gonna ignore the purple. That's your license plate light. Green, brown, black. There you go. Original, green, brown, black. So that's what it's supposed to go to, and that's how we're gonna hook it up. Check this out, it's pretty cool. While I was in here, I've been having those rods for my trunk in here for a while, and I put them on. Wasn't putting them on until now. All I needed was to buy these off of eBay for 15 bucks, little plastic retainers that slide. Ow, that slide. Let the rod slide there. Basically, I don't need that pole there that I've been having to hold my trunk up, hold on by itself, which is nice. Alright, so to the wiring. See, this is what comes off, and that's the constant power wire going to the battery, fuse with a 5 amp fuse. And so basically, yeah, green goes with green, the brown goes with brown. This is all off the factory wire to the LED lighting. And then the yellows go with the running lights wires, which is the black ones. And then the LED panels, I grounded them to the body itself. So basically, that's the wiring. Now I'm gonna have to vacuum all this up. And this right here is for your reverse lights. So basically, this is the stock harness here. And you can see that it's soldered on to one. All those go to that one. So I'm gonna wrap all this up, solder it, make it look real nice. If y'all want me to make a video with that, I will. Y'all wanted to just see me solder and wrap wires up and clip them, make them look real nice. But if y'all want to see that, let me know. But let me just show y'all how everything came out. It is functioning now. But let me know what y'all think. So my car does have a universal signal light. So I would like to put the original one and the original steering wheel back on someday. But I just wanted to show you all this wiring nightmare I got here. So I pretty much pulled a bunch of wire off, chunked it, started over. And I have this flasher that was on. I'll have to buy a new one later. The wire coming off the back that I just showed y'all. It's going to a 5 amp fuse, going straight to the battery. This is my flasher going to my turn signal. Basically, you got your blue and yellow coming off the turn signal. Then the constant power jumper wire going into this. That does come in the kit, no load flasher. And basically it's just the power jumper and power right there. And that one's going straight to the battery as well. And then you have your brake light. Basically this one's going straight to the power from your brake stop switch. And then the other gray one's going to the brake stop switch itself. So I got a lot of work to do with the wiring, but I wanted to show y'all basically a functioning system. And then I got a fuse, inline fuse coming off the battery going to that. So I wanted to test it out real quick, see if it worked. Now that I got it working, the fun part is cleaning all this up. So getting new wires in and then splicing everything and right and soldering in and all the fun stuff. But if you look at this is a bunch of speaker wire. I just stripped it all out. This dude used a bunch of speaker wire and everything. I hate it. I've been stripping it and there's still some left, unfortunately. So it's gonna look clean when it's done. So before you put the LED panel in the housing, tail light housing, please make sure to test them, plug them in, make sure that everything works, and then put them in here. I knew I should have done this, but I just put it all together. I had issues and I had to take it back apart to check all the wiring. Just make sure that everything's wired up correctly before you put them in here. Getting somewhere finally. Getting somewhere finally. Waiting for it to get dark so I can show y'all the tail lights in the nighttime. And I want to see them myself because I haven't seen them. I want to see how they look. But what y'all think about how the car looks with the headlight covers open? I think it looks pretty cool. It changes the look of the car. I like how you can have it either way. I haven't fixed the vacuum lines for it to open and close by themselves. They do open by themselves, but not close. So I just close them myself manually, which I don't care. High priority right now. Eventually, of course, I'd like to fix it, but right now, just live with it like that. It's all good. Running lights at night. Let me know what y'all think. I think that looks freaking sweet. was that? What y'all think? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so you can get notifications when my videos come out. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I appreciate y'all watching. God bless.